Okay, so let's say you go out on a camping trip and you set your tent up, or you set your hammock up and you put your tarp over it, and you want to connect some guy lines to give you a little bit more room in that tent or hold that tarp down. But you just can't remember how to tie that damn taut line hitch. You know, it's not really very hard. But I'm not very much of a knot guy, you know. I'm kind of knot challenged. I know like 5 knots, and one of them's the knot that I use to tie my boots with. So, you know, the taut line hitch, if you tie it the wrong way, it works, but it doesn't work too good. And well, you just can't remember to tie that taut line hitch. I'm going to show you an easy way to get a tensioner and those guy lines, and we're going to start right now. Okay, first thing you want to do is look around and see if you can find an old discarded can. And sad fact of life these days, if you're out on public land or like a state park or a wildlife management area, the fact of life is you're going to find trash, and you're probably going to find discarded soda cans or beer cans. Or you can go back to your camp and you can grab one of the ones that you brought with you, and then you can drink it. That was good. Now, what you want to do is look at the top of the can. You see that pop top? Carefully break a sucker off. Now, you have a makeshift guy line tensioner. I'm going to show you how to tie it. Okay, now, you get your pop top and you want to orient it like this. This is the side you broke off from the can. This is the nice smooth side. Now you're going to grab one end of your paracord. I'm just going to bring it right up through the bottom of the smooth side. So you got something like that. Okay. Now you're just going to tie an easy little overhand knot, just one time through, and tighten it up. Okay. So now you got something that looks like that. Easy, right? Okay. So now you're going to straighten out your paracord. And you're going to bring the other tag end up through the same hole that you just tightened it in. Okay, so now you got something that looks like this. Okay, now you're going to bring this side through the top of the pop top. This is where the magic happens. All right, so now you just pull your paracord through. Okay, and it tightens down just like a tarp tensioner. Okay, and here's your loop. You're going to put your stake through this side. Pow! And now you have your tarp tensioner. And it's really, really easy. When you want to tension your tarp, you just kind of put your thumb under it and you just pull. And it pulls right through just like a tarp tensioner. Now I can really, if this is my right hand is my stake, and I'm pulling on that hard on both sides. And that will not slip out of that pop top. Here's my stake in my right hand. That's as hard as I can pull it against my other hand. And that will not slip. All right, quick and easy, down and dirty guy line tensioner, made out of a pop top from an old beer can or an old soda can. This can really save the day, or you can take them along with you and you can use these as your main guy line tensioners, and they work great and they don't slip. Here with another Bushcraft quick tip. It's Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I'll see you on the trail.